Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with another Love Me wig. This one is a glueless wig. We're actually going to go ahead and glue it down, but I will show you that it can be glueless and all of that. I'm going to pluck. I'm going to go through all the steps of installing this wig. This wig is too good, okay? So anyway, this is the wig. This is the inside, the construction of the wig. As you see, it comes with the little band that you can wear the wig glueless. It's like HD lace. It's already pre-customized and they pre-plucked it just a slight amount, but not much. So I would definitely go back in and pluck it and customize it some more. And here I'm just showing you how to go through and just pluck it. And I don't like to pluck it completely bald on the first install because we want these wigs to last a while. So I'm just going, skipping a few hairs and plucking, skipping a few hairs and plucking. And I've just sectioned off 3 little sections, and I just started from the back and came forward. You can definitely pluck out more hair if you want to, but we want the wig to last and have longevity. So I just plucked it enough so that it's very natural looking, not overly plucked or gonna start looking bald really fast. So that's what I did there, and you can tell the difference on the other side from the original hairline to what I plucked. You can definitely do more plucking, but I wouldn't do it on the first install because some of the hair is going to come out anyway, so you won't have to pluck it too much. So here I'm just going in after I'm done plucking it with the wax stick. That's the edge tamer wax stick, I believe. And then my other pressing comb went out. This one was taking a long time to heat up, but I'm just pressing the edges back. And then here I'm going in with the eyebrow razor, eyebrow archer. I'm just gonna cut the lace off because I like to cut my lace off first. I do not like to leave that excess lace on the skin. I like to cut as much of the lace off as I can. Now, if you want to apply it with the lace, you can, and then just cut it off. But I like to make sure any excess lace is not on there. So I'm just using the eyebrow archer to cut the lace off, and this lace is super thin. And then y'all can see right there that it just lays right down. You can wear this thing like glueless. You don't have to put any glue on there or anything. So I already braided her hair down and laid her cap down. So y'all see me do that a million times. I have some other videos with that on there. And then I'm just cutting the excess stocking cap off. And I used ghost bun. I just used a little light line of ghost bun to lay her cap down because it seems like it keeps it laid down longer and it doesn't start to slide back if you do it that way. You just want to make sure you do it in front of the hairline. And then I'm going in with a little bit of Ruby Kisses. And y'all, this step right here is so outdated and it can totally be skipped, especially with the new age lace that we have. Everything is transparent HD, so it will cover really well. Really, I don't even think a lot of times you even have to have a cap on, but just for protection. But here I'm just going in with a little bit of alcohol to clean that extra makeup off. And then I'm going in with some Ghost Bond XL. Y'all know that's my favorite glue to use. My go-to glue, because I've used other ones before that work well, but this is my go-to, and it really does the job. I don't have to worry about nothing. I can apply 3 coats and just let it sit, and that's what I'm going to do here. Just going to apply 3 coats of glue, and I'm just spreading it with the end of that rat tail comb. And you can definitely use anything else you have that can spread it. And that is the wig, y'all see how that sucker just laid on my hand and there was no beginning or end because that lace, I'm telling y'all, is too good. Love me, y'all did y'all thing with this wig right here. So I'm just sitting the wig on her head. I'm about to get ready to lay it down. So I just want to get it on first, so and then adjust it, make sure it's in the right place, and then I start laying the wig. And then this is a glueless wig, so they have it curved around where you just put it on. You won't have to put anything on her. So that's why I'm having to have her to hold the side ear tabs down so that it'll stay in place. Because this is actually a wig that's meant to be glueless, but we went ahead and glued it down so that it can last for a while. And she's just gonna hold both ear tabs while I get it laid down and also get it combed back and the extra lace cut off the ears. Okay, so here I'm just going to separate the extra lace, and I'm going to the hair with the extra lace on it. I'm just going to cut over the ears, like the sideburn area, and over the ears. I'm just taking my scissors and I'm going to do that, and being careful not to cut into straightened out. If you need more baby hair or less baby hair, you can adjust it here. And also, if you need to do more plucking, you can do more plucking. I did go back in and do more plucking. I just didn't show that. But here I'm just using an elastic band to even further melt this lace down. This was a method we used when we first started doing lace. And I think this was something that I should have kept doing a long time ago because it really melts the lace down. And then here I'm just trying to get a middle part. She is tall, so I had a hard time seeing. So this part is kind of off-centered, so don't judge me for that. But I was trying to get over her so that I can see. So it's kind of just a little bit off-centered, just a little bit, but it still turned out really cute. And I'm just taking my pressing comb and just pressing the areas down. I did add a little bit more of the wax stick to her hair just so we can get it laid down really good, get the roots laid down really good. I'm struggling with this pressing comb. This is a extra pressing comb that I had because the one I had, I can't even remember the brand. I got it from Target. It went out. It got a shortage, so I'm using this one that I got from the beauty supply. This stuff will burn through anything, but it takes forever to get hot. So if you want to use it, you need to plug it up like an hour ahead of time. But it's only like $10 at the beauty supply anyway. So yeah, I just got everything laid down. And I'm just going to pull the hair back out of the way for a minute so I can get the baby hairs laid. And I also went in the back and I sewed the back part down. Now you don't have to do that with this wig, but I did. And then here I'm going back in with the tweezers. I tweezed it a little bit more around the hairline, but I'm just tweezing the baby hair some so they won't be super thick, so you can get them as thin as you want to. The hair that you choose to make the baby hair, you can get them as thin as you want it to be. So I'm just going back in. That's what I'm doing now, and I'm just taking the tweezers and pulling it down toward her face to get the additional hair out. And y'all can see that lace is laid. Look at that. That looks like her own scalp with that lace. That looks like her own scalp. And then here I'm just going to take the eyebrow archer and I'm just going to cut the baby hair. You can do it with scissors or whatever you have convenient to you. You just want to cut the baby hair. I did it like about a ½ inch. And then I did her some sideburns. I cut those also. And then I'm just making sure the excess hair is cut off. Make sure there's no like strings hanging. I'm doing the same thing to the other side. You just want to cut about a ½ inch. I believe I left it. Maybe a little longer. I don't know. But I'm just cutting the sideburns now here. And you want to cut it about the same size as the other side so everything will be even. And then here I'm just taking my Red by Kiss little mini pencil flat irons and I'm just curling the baby hair back. I know my elbow is in the way, but I'm just curling the baby hairs back, and then I'm just going to curl the sideburn downward. You can curl it back also, just depending how you want your sideburn to lay. You can also curl the baby hairs downward too. It's totally up to you. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Y'all, excuse me, I'm looking a hot mess in this video, but it's totally fine. And then I'm just curling the other side. And I'm going to do the same thing I did to the right side, to the left side. And then I'm just curling the sideburn here. She's acting like I'm burning her, but I'm not. And then here I'm going in with the even, I think it's called 4 Life Gel or something like that. I'm just going to use a little bit of it to put it on the edges. And then this Lotta Body Milk and Honey foam wrap. I'm going to use these 2 items to lay the baby hair. The Lotta Body Milk and Honey foam wrap, it works to me just like the Nairobi, and it's like half the price. So if you're looking for a good foam wrap, that Milk and Honey Lotta Body, it works really good. And I'm just using my little edge brush and then the foam wrap, and I'm just gonna lay the baby hairs down. And I told y'all this wig can totally be done without any baby hair because the lace is just so good. It's like really good. So you can do this without any baby hair, or you can do a whole lot of baby hair or just a little bit of baby hair. So I'm just doing the 2 like big baby hairs, I guess you want to say, on the side, and then I'm gonna do her sideburns. Also, y'all, this wig is a 22-inch water wave. Like, it's HD transparent lace. It's supposed to be glueless. And it has combs. It has everything in it that you need to do this thing without putting any glue on there. You can just probably use like a little spray or gel if you want that glued look. If not, you don't have to put nothing on there. You can just put it on and lay it down. And then here I'm just going in and doing the sideburns. I'm just kind of doing like a little curve sideburn, and then just make sure any excess hairs are back. And then that's how my sideburn looks right there, y'all. That's cute, ain't it? I know. Okay, so I just went back in and I put a little black wrap over it so that it can dry. And I did both sides the exact same. So, and you just want to be careful pulling your black wrap off. Make sure everything is dry before you mess with it. And then I'm just making sure like the little excess hairs and all that. Now that part is just a little bit off center. It's fine. This is art. This is not perfection. So it's not, everything is not going to be perfect, but the hair is soft and luxurious and beautiful. This hair is from Luvme. It's a 22-inch water wave glueless wig. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, leave a pink heart in the comments if you love this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm back.